Google creates so many AI tools that you could literally get lost when looking for them. For example, Google has a basic site called Gemini, which is basically regular chatting like ChatGPT, but it's completely free. And you have two models, Flash, which is fast, and Reasoning, which is slower but better. Then you have AI Studio, which I don't know if you know about this, but if you don't, you're really wasting money on tools because you have everything here for free. If you look on the left sidebar, you can either chat, stream. When I say stream, I mean share screen with Gemini and they can see what you're doing, so they can help you like do things like on Photoshop, Premiere. It can help you on Canva. It can literally tell you what to press. Then there's webcam where it can see you. I'm not sure why you'd need that, to be honest. And then there's the regular talk. Then you can generate media, which we're talking about images, speech generation, including multi-language speech generation. And then there's creating music and videos and images, obviously. And all of this is for free. Yes, you heard me right. And before you leave this video, we're going to go on to the best one at the end, which is Google Labs, which is a different website. So the first one was Gemini, the second one was AI Studio, and the third one is Google Labs. And then if you haven't seen this, by the way, you're missing out. This is called Build. And over here, you can build mini apps. Now, they already created a bunch of apps here, which you could actually use for free. And this is inside AI Studio. And over here, you can actually click on this one, for example, Prompt DJ, and create endless music for free. And it actually changes as you go along. You kind of prompt it into existence. And then what goes from one song to the next. Like you can start with a trance, then go to slow music. It's basically amazing. It like goes on forever. I love this one. I have a laugh with it. You can create text games using Gemini here as well. Now let's move on to Google Labs, which is probably the most powerful because this is the new stuff that's coming out. And one of the best tools, which I've recently only dabbed myself into because it's very hard to really start using like AI video generation with Flow. I'm not sure what the reason for that is, but you can literally create videos that are endless, not 8 seconds long, endless. You click create with Flow, you go in, you start a new project, you create a video, you get all your prompts ready, by the way, before you come here. When you click create project right above my head over here, you can actually create an endless video. So like an ad, if you know what I mean. You could create one of those really viral ads for free, by the way. You get some credits for free. When you create, I just want to show you just for a second, because the only thing holding you back from doing this is confidence. So what you do is you generate videos. For example, if you click on ingredients to video, you can use multiple photos. Frames to video is the best one. You can actually click on frames to video and then upload a photo over here, and then you generate an image or upload an image, and then my screen goes white for some stupid reason. But if you upload a photo, you can upload any image. That will be your starting photo and your ending photo. But forget about the ending one. Never use the ending one. What's the point? So let's say I was to put a picture like this, and then I were to say, make the woman, you know what, zoom into the screen. And the reason why I'm going into this one a little bit more than the others is because I want to show you how to extend a video to make it longer. Because many people know how to use Google Veo 3, but not many people know how to make a video that continues after it's finished. And I know that once you see it, you'll have the confidence to use it. So for those of you new here, subscribe to this channel. Over here, we show you tools, AI tools, solutions basically, solutions that use AI. And as days go on, more and more solutions are coming out. And if you miss out on them, then you just will never know about them. How are you going to know about the latest solutions? So we'll take this video that's about to be created, and what we're going to do is extend it just to show you the concept of extending. Okay, the video's ready. Video number 1. It creates 2 generations, which actually cost 20 credits each. You can change that by clicking here and changing it to 1 output. That will save you some money. And now let's watch the video for a second, and then I'll show you how to extend it, which is probably the most important thing.
Do you see that? It says page 1 of 30.
Yeah, that's a lot of pages to go through.
Okay, great. Now, what we're going to do is extend this video. The way to do that is you go to add to scene, you click on add to scene, and then it creates a scene for you, and you can switch to scene builder by clicking the button on the top right of the screen, which pops up. And then what you do is you simply go to the last frame, and you click on the plus button, save frame as asset. Now it's about to create that last frame as a new asset, which means once you have that image, which is the last image, you add it to the beginning here, to the first frame, which is, it automatically adds it there. And then you could have the video, have the form on the laptop scroll from page 1 of 30 to page 30 of 30. The man says that will take forever to fill. And so then what we've done here is we're starting from this frame. This is the first frame. Then we click continue, and that summarizes it. So basically what you're seeing now is a video that's going to be 16 seconds long. And remember, that's 8, 16, and then I can keep going on and creating a video that's even 10 minutes long, if you know what I mean, going scene by scene. So this is basically how you're going to create long videos with AI. And this entire video, if you didn't start at the beginning, I showed you Gemini, AI Studio and Google Labs, which are basically the main 3 websites where Google keeps throwing out more and more and more and more AI tools. So if you're interested in more tools that just come out that Google gives you for free, follow me or like this video, and then you'll be given more videos of this type, which you can then learn how to save money instead of paying for image generation and video generation. You could do it all for free. As long as you follow this channel, you'll be updated regularly. But now, as we finish this video, let me just show you this one scene that continues, and I'll just show you the amazing flow of this video. It's not for nothing they called it Google Flow, because it's flowing from one video to the next. Let's watch this. It's ready. All right, let's watch the completed version.
It says page 1 of 30.
Yeah, that's a lot of pages to go through.
That will take forever to fill.
Do you see that? 30.
All right, it's not that consistent. The voice changes a lot. The sound dynamics are not good. I'm sure this is going to get better in the future, but with enough time and effort, you could probably achieve this, which is something I achieved myself using Google Flow. Have a look at this.
Please don't forget to fill in that form. I know it's a bit long.
Honey, it's a 30-page form.
Good luck.
Honey, I've finished.
You just finished all of that in 5 seconds?
Yep, I used Zipiful.
So that's a video that I created for my business, where in my business on solations.com, we have a form filler. So I used Google Flow to create that video. Fantastic tool, completely free, especially for pro users. I'm not sure if free users get that many credits. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.